Hey guys, welcome to the Hotel Guide channel. Today I will tell you about the Egyptian Hotel Steigenberger Alcazar, located in Sharm el-Sheikh. Let's get started. First, as usual, some general information about the hotel. The 5-star Steigenberger Alcazar Hotel is situated on the Red Sea coast, just 15 minutes away from Sharm el-Sheikh International Airport. It offers a private beach, a spa center, and 7 restaurants. The private beach of this hotel is located right on the waterfront. The hotel is designed for tourists of all ages but does not allow pets. Steigenberger Alcazar is built in an Eastern style and was opened in 2017, making it a brand new hotel. Overall, guests find their stay at this hotel peaceful and romantic. By the way, if you want to visit the Ras Mohammed National Park, it's very convenient to reach from here. The hotel has a Google rating of 4.8, a Booking.com rating of 9.4, and a TripAdvisor rating of 5, all very high. Friends, you can find the cost of staying and book a room in this hotel through the links in the description and the pinned comment under this video. Now, let's take a closer look at all the pros and cons of this hotel. But before we begin, I want to ask you to subscribe to our channel and support this video with a like. Thank you. The hotel's grounds are simply magnificent, just like everything else in this hotel. Right from the entrance, you will feel that this hotel is truly enchanting. The beautiful architecture of the buildings is done in a Moroccan style. The interior of the main building is adorned with exquisite Eastern chandeliers and fixtures, and fresh flowers and vases fit perfectly into the design. Everywhere you go, cleanliness and order surround you. The hotel's grounds feature 3 pools, all beautifully decorated with ornate designs. All the pools are heated in the winter. The hotel's grounds are filled with lush greenery, including palm trees, bushes, and exotic trees. By the way, the grounds are quite spacious, so you'll have plenty of room for a stroll. It's always peaceful here, there's no noise, everything is clean and well maintained. In the reviews, you'll find many comments marked as excellent. You know, that says a lot. Since the grounds are quite extensive, there's a special mini car that you can call from your room via phone. The service at the hotel is at a very high level. The hotel's beach is quite large, covering an area of 30,000 square meters. There are plenty of sun loungers and umbrellas on the beach. There's also a minibar where you can grab a snack and enjoy a cocktail. Unfortunately, there's no gradual entry into the sea. The beach is rocky, and due to frequent low tides, it's not suitable for swimming. But if you just want to dip your feet, it's safe enough. However, be cautious as there might be sea urchins if you enter the sea from the beach. To go deeper into the water, there's a pontoon bridge at your disposal. Just make sure the flag on it is not red. As we know, a red flag indicates high waves and unsafe swimming conditions. Also, it's worth noting the stunning coral reef at the hotel. Here, you can admire colorful fish and corals. The underwater world here is truly beautiful, as many guests mention in their reviews. The hotel has a total of 7 restaurants, with 2 of them offering buffet-style dining and the other 5 serving a la carte. The buffet options are outstanding, with various choices of meats, salads, soups, vegetables, fruits, desserts, and seafood. Tourists especially praise the delicious grilled shrimp. The variety of dishes available for breakfast, lunch, and dinner is impressive, and the food is very tasty and refined. In the a la carte restaurants, you can try dishes from different cuisines around the world, such as Italian, Asian, and seafood. Overall, we found only positive reviews about the food at Steigenberger Alcazar. Guests are delighted that the chef listens attentively to their preferences and can prepare exactly what they need. In the Steigenberger Alcazar Hotel, there are a total of 610 stylishly decorated rooms located in 12 separate buildings. The room categories include comfortable superior rooms, spacious family rooms, comfortable standard rooms, exquisite villas, and spacious townhouses. It's worth noting that the rooms are well maintained and quite clean. The housekeeping staff pays great attention to cleanliness. We couldn't find any reviews mentioning broken or non-functional air conditioners, clogged drains, or other common issues. The rooms offer breathtaking views of the hotel's grounds. All rooms are equipped with small balconies. The staff at the Steigenberger Alcazar Hotel is simply outstanding. It's the hotel staff that makes your stay wonderful and cozy, making you feel at home. In the comments, we found many words of gratitude to specific staff members. This speaks to the fact that the hotel management has assembled a very good team of professionals who excel at their jobs. Everyone is very friendly and welcoming. They respond to your every request and resolve any issues very quickly. The hotel offers fantastic entertainment, with many guests highlighting the fire shows with dancing on the beach. Foam parties are also regularly organized. There's daily music and dance by the beach and pools. It's worth mentioning that the music is very pleasant and not too loud. Additionally, Steigenberger Alcazar offers aqua aerobics lessons in the pools and yoga sessions. Overall, the entertainment at the hotel is very good and unobtrusive. Furthermore, it's worth mentioning that the hotel is quite peaceful and quiet. Everything is cozy and beautiful. On the hotel's grounds, you'll find a children's playground and an amazing kids club. The kids club is new, clean, and well maintained. Animators engage with children according to a schedule, offering face painting, various games, and activities. The only downside is that the hotel doesn't have a water park or water slides, which would be great for kids. Overall, if you're traveling with children, they will have a great time here. So, friends, the conclusion is clear. This hotel truly deserves its high rating. Reading reviews about the hotel, we couldn't find anything that you wouldn't like. If you've already been to this hotel, please write in the comments whether you enjoyed your stay here. Personally, I believe this is the perfect place for a vacation. It's quiet, peaceful, and very relaxing. Excellent food, superb design, wonderful pools, and a beach. The only small drawback is the lack of a gradual entry into the sea. However, it might not be a significant issue for everyone. But that's just my opinion, and the final decision is up to you, friends. Whether or not to fly for a vacation to Steigenberger Alcazar is your choice. While you're contemplating, I recommend watching these other videos about Egyptian hotels. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to not miss our new videos. And with that, I bid you farewell until our next meeting in a new hotel.